back to my channel. So today's video is gonna be another pack with me because I'm going to Houston and I'm gonna go see a baseball game. It's just a weekend trip and I've never been to Houston, so I'm pretty excited. It's Houston, Texas, so if you're wondering. So I'm gonna go get my suitcase and we can start some packing. I got it. Oh, that thing is like heavy. So I kind of already planned out my outfits. So, alright. So, okay. So when I'm going over there, I'm thinking about wearing my Target blue jean shorts, the Wild Fable brand. The Wild Fable brand. Yeah, I said that right. Okay. My all-time favorite shorts. I love these. You know, at Target in the like teen adult section. It's for $15 these shorts, and they're amazing and they're the best fit. So I'm wear these tomorrow when I leave. This will be my outfit. So I'm wearing these nice shorts. I'm going to wear the Wild Fable t-shirt just like this one. This one's just round neck and this one's just a v-neck. Just something different just to spice it up. So I'm just gonna be wearing a cute little simple outfit. I don't know if I'm gonna go to the gift shop or anything, just maybe if I buy a shirt, but I don't know if it'll be open or closed. So I'm just gonna be wearing this. It's super cute and I'm gonna be wearing it with my white Air Forces. Okay, I'm showing you the outfit up close. So I'm just wearing the shirt with the shorts. With my all-time fave, my Air Forces, the trendy shoes. I love these. These go with anything. So I'm definitely going to wear my Air Forces with them. This is the outfit I'll be wearing to the game. Love it. Something simple and cute. And I'm going to be wearing some gold jewelry. So I'm going to be wearing these hoops from Amazon. They're from the boutique 11. I did a video with them. So I'm going to wear this necklace, this bracelet, and this bracelet. And these rings from Shein. So these are the jewelry I'll be taking. I'll probably take them off and like pack them so I won't forget. And the outfit I'll be coming back home in is this Corvette shirt I got at Walmart. It's from the men's section. I got a size large just to be oversized and it's super cute. So that's what it looks like. So it's the shirt I'll be wearing over there. Super cute, comfy, trendy. Gotta take a pic in this. Yes, girl. Shorts I'll be wearing with my Corvette shirt. It's just some black biker shorts, you know, just a basic, super comfy. When you're coming back home, you don't want to be like all with like wearing jeans and stuff like that. So I decided to wear some cute biker shorts because I think it'll be really cute and trendy and like stylish. So that's the outfit. The shirt does look a little big, but it's okay. It's gonna be really like oversized, and that's what I'm going for with my biker shorts and my Air Forces. So I already got my outfits planned. As you can see, it's a really short trip, so I'm just only packing like actually one outfit honestly, but you know, it's a trip. And I forgot to also share with y'all the kombucha. I haven't even tried it yet, but I'm definitely gonna show y'all in this vlog. So if you missed my recent vlog, a few days vlog, and I bought kombucha and I am really excited to try it. So I'm gonna try it in this video when you're gonna see my reaction. Girl, that's really early. I haven't woke up that early in a very long time. So I'm gonna wake up at 6 and I'm gonna do my makeup in the car since it's gonna be like a long drive. So I'm gonna do my makeup in the car. So I have no worries. I'm not gonna get up extra early just to do my makeup. So I'm gonna pack the shirt. I was gonna get me some packing cubes from Amazon, but I couldn't find any ones like I really liked. And I did find some, but they were gonna come late. And I was like, what's the point of just going like for a weekend trip? I'll rather get it when I go somewhere like pretty longer. So look out for a packing video with some packing cubes. And I also threw away bags, my makeup bags, because they got really dirty and ugly, and I had them for a very long time. So I threw them out. And I wanted to get some more. I was gonna get these white ones. They were like on the Amazon. They're these clear and it has a white lining. It looks super cute, classy, you know, chic. You know, like I love. It was super cute because it's like trendy. It's all clear. You can see all your makeup. I was gonna get them, but they all took them. Yes, they took them. They took them. I was like, oh my god, I need them. So next video when I do another pack with me, I'm gonna have new stuff, you know, packing cubes. Girl, we're gonna have step up our packing game. So just wait one more video. I'm gonna pack these shorts. I'm gonna leave this outfit out here so it's ready for me. Open my bag. My bag's pretty deep, and I was gonna take a little carry-on, little tote, but like, you know, I'm packing like shoes and like I'd just rather bring just this, even though I'm just going for one day. So I packed my stuff, so I'm putting it right here. I'm gonna leave my Air Forces out because I'll be wearing them when I leave, but I'm gonna take some sandals. So I'm gonna find some sandals. So I'm gonna just take these white plain sandals I have just in case. I'm just gonna throw them in there. I'm definitely gonna put them on this side. This is where the shoe stuff is at. And for sleepwear, I'm gonna take my tie-dye outfit because I really love it. Taking my Target pajamas. So I really love these. You should definitely go buy some. They are really cute and comfy. Okay, boots, so I already did my pajamas, my next clothes. So I'm gonna do my like a little essentials. I'm gonna do like my little baggie and my suitcase already. So once I finish some of the video, I'll put my jewelry in there so I won't forget. And then for perfume, I honestly don't know what perfume to take. I don't know. So, and oh, I put a new candle. I'm using my mom's right now because I don't have a candle with me. So yeah, another Target one. But for perfume, I think I'm just gonna take my Midsummer Dream body spray. My mom has the lotion, so I'm gonna take the lotion, and I will take my deodorant. I'm currently using the Secret aluminum free lavender scent. This one's really good, so I'm gonna take this one. I still gonna take this one. Hello, I need to take that one. That's my deodorant. I'm gonna take my travel toothbrush case, and then I'm gonna use this little clear bag that I have. I'm gonna put like my skincare and my like little bit of essentials I need. So I'm gonna get some of those items I need. Okay, so I'm taking my cleanser, my Algenist cleanser, some hygiene products because I don't know when I'm gonna start any day. So I'm just gonna be taking some essentials, and I'll put my cleanser in there. So this bag can hold everything. Okay, so I decided to use this for my makeup because I don't have makeup on. So I'm just gonna use this one for makeup, not for my skincare. So I'm just going to use my typical little bag I have. So I just put my cotton rounds, my cleanser, my moisturizer, my toning gel. And it fits in there perfectly. I'm going to take my toner. And I'm going to wrap some toilet paper on it because it does leak for some reason. So I'm going to put like a little rubber band and kind of like protect it from not like leaking all over my bag. So that's what I'm going to do. Skincare bag is ready and to go. And then for makeup, I'm not going to take anything too much. So for primer, I'm going to take my Rare Beauty since it's travel. This should shut, right? Oh my god, is it not gonna shut? Oh. It broke. Dang it. This is not going to work out. My clear bag is not working out. It busted on me. So I'm gonna use a little bag that I gave my mom to put my makeup in. And then the combo wearing Reef Lifter Gloss, and then using the Maybelline NYX Nude Truffle Lip Liner. Since you can't take any big purses in the baseball game, so I'm going to take my fanny, and this holds my camera and my phone, so I'll be kind of vlogging there. So I'm pretty excited. So I'm going to take my fanny as my purse, and it looks super cute. Look, let me show you. You just wrap it around your waist, and it looks super cute. Around your waist, and you look super cute. So I could just put my phone and my camera, and I could probably put in my Coach little wallets for my credit card. But other than that, it's pretty big, very spacious, and it's cheetah. I love cheetah, and it holds a lot of room, and that's what I love about it because I want to hold a lot of things, so as much as I can, and that's what it looks like. You can size how tight or how loose you want it. So I'm taking this as a little purse, and I got it off of Amazon. I really do love this. I'm just gonna pack this in there. And I already packed my toothbrush case in there. I put a little bit of a hand sanitizer just to keep with me. And for snacks, I did get me some Smart Sweets little gummies. So I did get the peach rings and the sour melon bites. So I can't wait to try these. So these are my snacks. And then I got some Smart Food white cheddar popcorn. And then I'm taking a little like granola bar. It's the organic from HEB. It's just the oats and honey. Because we like a long drive, so I'm just trying to have as many snacks as I can. Oh, and I got some wet wipes because I need more. So I'm just gonna take them. I'm just taking these wheat thins, just the original ones. Something to snack on. Something sweet, salty, and sour. And lastly, I know I'm not gonna eat all these. But I got the Rice Krispie treats, probably just share with my parents. So, but we got some Rice Krispie treats. I'm not gonna eat them all. Trust me, Blues. I'm not gonna eat them all, but if I can, I would probably. Ooh, that's just too much. Yeah, but I'm taking some of these snacks. So those are my snacks, Blues. I'm really taking, and I'm just gonna take my electronic bag because I'm gonna be editing this video. I'll be editing this video while I'm on the road, and I'll be posting on my Instagram, like on my stories, like catching up what I'm doing, taking pictures and all that stuff. I'm so excited. So I'm just gonna put my jewelry up already. But I want to try the kombucha drink. My mom says I'm not gonna like it, but who knows? I don't know. So I believe that is all, and a mask because I'm wearing my mask here the whole time. So I'm just gonna keep it in my fanny. I'm just putting my mask, wallet, my AirPods, and just sticking that in there. And I'm gonna be taking a jacket just in case if I'm like cold or anything. So I'm just gonna take a jacket. My camera, I gotta charge up my battery. So I have my electronic bag I'm taking. I just wanna make sure I have everything in there already. I'm gonna charge up my laptop for a little bit. So I'm gonna show y'all what's in my bag. My snacks, accessories, sandals, my skincare bag, my fanny, my makeup, brow undies, and then my go home clothes. And I'm taking the jacket, and then just my electronic bag. So yeah, I am already packed. I'm just gonna charge up my laptop and probably charge up another battery. But other than that, let's go try some kombucha because we're gonna see how it tastes. I'm pretty excited. I'm kind of nervous. It might taste kind of nasty. I don't know. My mom says I'm not gonna probably like it, but you never know until you try. So, who's ready? Oh my god. Okay, so let's go. Let's go try it. We're gonna try the kombucha, Mom. I'm gonna try the kombucha. I'm gonna get my reaction. I gotta try the glass cup first. Warm me a little bit. I'm kind of scared. Here I go. Ready? I don't know if I like it. But you saw my reaction. I don't know really how to feel about it. I mean, it just smelled like apple cider vinegar, and the aftertaste kind of smelled like apple cider vinegar. So, I mean, the drink wasn't bad. Like, it wasn't gross. It's just like a little bit of aftertaste. But I don't know. I'm not really a fan of it. But, I mean, I'll try one more. I'll try probably the mango one. But other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed my pack with me. I hope you guys had fun watching it. I'm pretty excited. So, I'll be doing a little mini vlog going over there and then showing y'all, like, what's going on and stuff like that. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and notifications to be notified every time I post a new video. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.